Hi, y'all. Kendall Carpenter, Bunnyfoot Pottery in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm coming today with a short video because I need your help. Y'all, I have a serious glaze addiction. It is really, really getting out of control. I went back and counted, and in the month of December, I got 53 new glazes. Oh! Yes, some of them were Stroke and Coat and some were Jungle Gems, but it's a lot of glaze. And I have a tiny studio. I'm really, really playing whack-a-mole, trying to organize all of these glazes. Let me show you my studio. So this is my home office, and I worked here from home as a CFO for many years. And I moved out a table and put my pottery wheel in this corner. So that's that part of the studio. And then my husband built this wonderful console table a couple of years ago. And I use it to organize things in tubs, and I use that surface there when I'm glazing. I've had a bookcase in my office for many years that, of course, had books and it had wine and all kinds of things. And now it's my glaze. So I'm going to turn this camera around and show you how I've tried to organize this glaze. Here's my bookcase, my original red bookcase, and I bought a little narrow bookcase to put next to it. And I've got my Amicos up here, pretty much in numerical order. I've got most of my Makos here, and they're grouped sort of in numerical groups. And then I had to also put Makos down here. I have Opulence glazes, more Makos. Here's my Coyote glazes. Here are my Spectrum glazes. And what I've done is organize these the best I can with a map. So for this shelf, my second shelf of glazes, they're 3 deep on an upper and a lower shelf, and there's my map. And I have a map of this shelf, and they're 3 deep. So let's say that I wanted to know where my apricot coyote was. This will help me find it. And then for my Makos, I've printed out this Mako glaze sheet off their website. And if it has a highlight in yellow, I own it. So let's say that I wanted to find Shipwreck. Shipwreck is number 156. So I would go over here into the glazes that are in the 150s and find it. So that's the best I can do there. Then I have this printout of my Amico Potter's Choice, highlighted if I own it. Spectrums are a little bit harder. They're not quite as organized, and that group is Spectrum. And these are my Opulence. And I still need to, I have so many Coyotes. I've just started getting Coyotes basically since November. So I need to do that. Then down here, I've got Stroke and Coats. I've got Jungle Gems. There's my 50 Kiwi underglazes. And then I've got Elements, more Jungle Gems, washes, etc. So it's a challenge. I don't have any room for any more glaze. So what am I going to do, y'all? If you have any suggestions for how I could organize this better, I'd sure like to know about it. But what I really want to know in your comments, how long do you guess I can wait before buying more glaze? 1 week? 2 weeks? A month? 2 months? I wouldn't guess 2 months if I were you. It'll be fun to read your guess. And if you have a serious glaze addiction and you want to fess up, leave me a comment and I'll give you some absolution. I'm having so much fun with my pottery, but this glaze addiction is really getting too much. I did make a New Year's resolution, no more glaze. Your guess is as good as mine if I'm going to keep that resolution. So I hope you get a kick out of this. I'm going to tack on a little slideshow of my 53 new glazes, and I hope you get a kick out of that too. So like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hey, and Angela just posted a great tip today. If you subscribe, make sure you check all so you'll get notices of all of our postings, not just the ones that algorithms pick for you. Okay, that's it for now. I'll be back soon with a hopefully really nice kiln reveal. And until then, y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.
From the moment I laid eyes on you, this is what I said, I see it, and I like it, and I want it, yes I do. I need it to make me happy, oh baby, yes I do mean you. From the moment I laid eyes on you, this is what I said, a beautiful sight to see is everything that makes you you. It means so much to me, every little thing you do is more than I can bear. Whenever you are near, my arms I have to fight. Whenever you're in sight, I wanna grab you 'cause I see it and I like it. From the moment I laid eyes on you, this is what I said, I see it, and I like it, and I want it, yes I do. I need it to make me happy, oh baby, yes I do mean you. From the moment I laid eyes on you, this is what I said, a beautiful sight to see is everything that makes you you. So much to me, every little thing you do is more than I can bear. Whenever you are near, my arms I have to fight. Whenever you're in sight, I wanna grab you 'cause I see it and I like it. From the moment I laid eyes on you, this is what I said, I see it, and I like it, and I want it, yes I do. I need it to make me happy, oh baby, yes I do mean you. From the moment I laid eyes on you, this is what I said, a beautiful sight to see is everything that makes you